Hi guys, my name is Lucas Davies from Complete Protect Insurance, and the reason you're watching this video is because there are certain physical risks involved in playing our great sport, which unfortunately means risks to your ability to work and earn money. So I'm going to explain what your options are with regards to protecting yourself, what you're currently covered for, and other useful information that should help you understand and control any risks associated with playing the game we love. The stats say that over 38% of all injuries occur during sporting activities, while 37% happen at home. That means 75% of all injuries aren't covered by work cover. Now, traditionally, you're told to insure your car, house, motorbike, and these types of assets. And don't get me wrong, you absolutely should. But these assets are incomparable to your greatest asset, your income. Here's just a few more stats to put things into perspective. Looking at the numbers, you've got to ask yourself if you're playing the odds with your money and putting it to its best use. Without an income, what's your life going to be like? How do you pay your rent or mortgage? How do you put food on the table? How do you pay for your cars, motorbikes, or holidays? Your bank balance flies backwards while you're off work because expenses don't just stop. And if it's a long-term injury, things can get out of control quickly. Too many guys stop playing footy because they've bought a house, started a new business, heading overseas, or having a kid and can't afford to risk missing work. But it doesn't have to be a choice. So if insurance was free, you'd all have it already. So how much does it cost and can you afford it? Absolutely. There are many ways to invest in income protection, such as using your cash flow, your superannuation, or a combination of both, with an average policy obtained for only $20 a week during the season. And because there's no lock-in contracts, you can simply finish up when you like. So considering what you're protecting, the payment options and the price itself, the value in protecting yourself while you play is pretty clear. Obviously, the league has its own insurance, which is included in your fees. But as each club has the option of choosing a level of insurance for its players, it can vary. But usually it's the same, with death and disability cover included, but income protection is an optional extra. So here's a general guide for what you're covered for when you train and play if the income protection option is included. As you can see, you've got a 14-day waiting period before you can start accruing benefits. And at that point, you'll receive $200 a week and then pay tax on that. There's a lot of other stipulations, such as not being able to claim on a pre-existing injury. If you have sick leave, it will have to be used up first before you can claim. And if you're unemployed at the time of your injury, you're not covered. But please ask your club for further information, as each club can differ slightly. Now, I'm sure at least one of you here have claimed on the league's insurance, so you'll be able to give the other guys feedback about the experience, which I encourage you to share, as it's never a quick, painless, or very fruitful experience. Alternatively, we obviously cover training, game days, nights when you've been drinking, and even 24/7 worldwide protection, whether you're employed at the time or not. If you're off work for 3 days or more, your payments will be backdated to day one. Sick leave can be claimed alongside your insurance payments, and your employment status is unimportant. I also recognise that a lot of you guys are tradies and have some cover through funds such as IncoLink, but please check the details of these group policies, because generally, as with IncoLink, you're not covered for organised sporting activities, so both trainings and game days, or if you're under the influence of alcohol, which takes in most guys' Saturday nights and footy trips. Okay, so lastly, we offer a 20% discount to all local footballers in their first year of cover as an incentive to get you protected. Think of it as a free kick if you like. That offer is valid only if you register your interest with us in the next 7 days. After that, there's still a discount, just a little less. These are my details, so if you're interested in getting a quote for cover for the season or any other advice, either text me your details on the mobile number here on the slide, give your details to your president, who will forward them on to me, or visit our website and go to the Contact Us page. I encourage you all to at least get yourself a quote, as we're a free service and can help you every step of the way to make it really simple, with no charge at any point, plus ongoing support. And believe me, you'll never regret protecting yourself either way, but you'll be incredibly relieved if you get injured. Please don't risk your greatest asset for the sake of only $20 a week, especially with its tax breaks and ability to use super to cover it. Best of luck with the season, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.